都肥，很快的。
最近好久没见了，好久没见了，你好，欢迎来看是啊，你认识吗？太谢谢。
My name is John Levitt. This is Tim Liu, who will be your guides through this process this morning. Thank you all for coming, for celebrating our new partnership with our Chinese partners. First up this morning is Deb Scholl, who's the MP for King. She's been a very, very strong voice for our community, delivered and focused on delivering positive results. Deb also serves as the chair of the House of Commons Standing Committee on the Environment and Sustainable Development, obviously a thing that's near and dear to our hearts here at IONADA. As a recognized environmental champion, she has saved hundreds of hectares of green space through her advocacy and sustainable development. Deb's also served on the Greenbelt Task Force, the Humber Watershed Alliance, and the Oak Ridges Marine Foundation Board of Directors. Deb is a mechanical and aerospace engineer from Princeton and spent 22 years in business and management at Bombardier.
首先是欢迎各位参加我们的这个签约仪式。第一位为我们发言的是我们的议员 Day， 他是我们代表我们这个社区的一个议员，他主要关注是环境的保护，他有很多的成就是关于这个绿地的保护，然后他在加入这个成为议员之前，他有20多年的工作经验，是在一个航空的一个企业在工作。
John, thank you very much for that kind introduction and for giving me a chance to say a few words about the direction the Government of Canada is going on the economy and the environment, and the great partnerships that are being celebrated here today. It's an honor to be here with all of you and our distinguished guests. And as mentioned, I'm the MP for King Vaughan, and I'm located just north of Concord here, so not too far away. I'm also the chair of the Standing Committee on Environment and Sustainable Development, so I have a keen interest in innovation in the clean tech sector and the work being supported by Sustainable Development Technology Canada. I also, as mentioned, have a mechanical aerospace engineering degree, so I'm very pleased to see the exciting engineering innovations that are being developed here to solve the problems of the world and help bring jobs and economic prosperity to Canada. As you know, the Liberal government was elected on a platform to transition Canada from primarily a resource-based, high-carbon emitting economy to a low-carbon economy, with an emphasis on innovation and clean tech. We believe you can have a strong economy and a healthy environment. And we are focused on investing and developing partnerships to help make this transition happen. We know there is a market for green technologies. In 2014, green investments, or global investment in renewable energy, surpassed that of oil and gas. And in 2015, that investment doubled. The vast majority of this investment is being undertaken by American, Chinese, and South Korean firms.